guys, welcome back to my channel Shadesbysumit. I hope you liked my previous video in which I explained about few techniques of shading and little bit about tools. So in today's lesson there is day 2 tutorial of how to make professional sketch. Most likely we will be discussing about same techniques for another part of girls hair. So my pencil lead is sharpened and just want to say I will be making another video on how to sharp your pencils because that is very important for finishing. I'm using double E pencil here. I would recommend you to use 8B pencil only. I'm using double E because I know how to or how much pressure I need to put on pencil and how to give the shadings. Guys, I'm making sure the direction of shading it should be same. So I'm constantly checking the reference picture and then I'm doing the shading. So I'm doing the smudging. This is one of the most important part, and smudging gives the finishing in the sketch. So if you don't have flat brush, you can use any soft brush. After that I will use general charcoal pencil. So as I told you in previous video, this general charcoal pencil is will give you the darkest shade in here. So guys, look at the shades. It's looking awesome, I think. You can do the same, but the condition is you need to follow the instructions as I told you in the video. And there is one more important thing, and that is patience. If you don't have patience, you cannot create this kind of sketch. So have patience, and don't put that much pressure on the pencil, on the sheet. Do it steadily and slowly, then you will be able to create the same sketch in the same way. So guys, I hope you like this video, and I hope you will be following the same instructions and will try to create some incredible sketch. I will be looking for your inputs, and you can ask queries in comment section of the video, or you can DM me on Instagram. Till the time, stay tuned for the third video of this tutorial. Goodbye.